Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread, but not just any banana bread, it's a high protein banana bread with cottage cheese and some vanilla protein powder. Super easy to make, great for meal prep. Let's get started. We're going to start with wet ingredients. We've got melted butter, cottage cheese, which I like to puree with a stick blender to get it nice and smooth. Then it's bananas, riper the better, for that sweetness and lovely texture. And we've got some eggs, some Greek yogurt as well for extra protein, and we've got sort of the cottage cheese going, of course, brown sugar and vanilla. That's our wet ingredients. Mix them all together and set aside. And for dry ingredients, it's flour, vanilla protein powder, cinnamon, and baking powder and baking soda to help it rise. Mix it together, but make sure to not overmix the mixture, otherwise it's not going to rise properly. I always line the baking tin with some parchment paper, which you can grease with some butter. I just hate when banana bread gets stuck to the tin, and we're using a large baking loaf tin. Bake it for about 60 minutes at 175 Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Look, it turns out fluffy, moist, delicious. It's high in protein, so it's satiating. Definitely give it a go. That is good banana bread.